जीप में है और अभी समझ लें कि टाटू कोई 15-20 मिनट दूर है। आप दोनों तरफ देख रहे हैं क्या व्यूज़ वगैरह देखें। हम अभी है तकरीबन 2000 मीटर अल्टीट्यूड पे। सांस फूल रहा नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही है। राकापोशी, ये आप देख रहे हैं राकापोशी, और हम इस तरफ जा रहे हैं नंगा पर्वत, काराकोरम रेंज। नहीं, नंगा पर्वत इज इन हिमालयन रेंज और राकापोशी जो है वो काराकोरम रेंज में है। ये राकापोशी है और इससे आगे जब हम जाएंगे तो आपको दूसरा बताएंगे। आ जाओ भाई मैसनर, नंगा पर्वत, बस हियर वी आर, पहुंचने वाले हैं अभी थोड़ी देर में। साथ आ जाओ मिस्टर मैसनर, इब्राहिम मैसनर तुम पहुंचाया, ये अभी हमको पूरा वहाँ ऊपर तक ले जाएगा, बेस कैंप तक। मिस्टर अतीकुर रहमान मैसनर, नंगा पर्वत द अल्टीमेट, वहाँ पहुँचना है हमें। वी गोइंग टू गेट देयर इंशाल्लाह वेरी सून। अभी आपको दिखा रहे हैं राकापोशी पीक, आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज राकापोशी। इंशाल्लाह रमज़ान के बाद इन मे बी 2 months टाइम वी अटेम्प्ट दैट। ये ब्रिज है जो टूट गया था, अभी ये माल मवेशी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। अब इन्होंने रास्ता निकाला है इस साइड से, जिस पे हम अभी जा रहे हैं। इस पे look at this bridge. This bridge was broken and cannot be used for vehicles anymore, so they have carved a road from the side, which you can see. हम पहुंच गए फेरी पॉइंट, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा ट्रैक। अभी से जीप हमें लाकर वहाँ छोड़ दिया था फेरी पॉइंट बस होटल। हाँ, जीप हमने यहाँ छोड़ी, अभी यहाँ से 4 घंटे की ट्रैक है अप टू फेरी मेडोज। देख रहे हैं आप लोग नंगा पर्वत, ठीक है ना मैसनर? ठीक है, सही बोल रहा है। चलो इंशाल्लाह फिर पहुंचेंगे ऊपर। ये जो आप देख रहे हैं अभी, ये नंगा पर्वत पीक है, रायकोट फेस द मोस्ट डेंजरस पाथ टू नांगा पर्वत, जिसको अभी बंद कर दिए। दे हैव क्लोज दिस पाथ एंड दे हैव फाउंड अ न्यू रूट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड। तो वी आर एट, आप समझ लें, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेसिस वेयर वी स्टार्ट द ट्रैक to the main Bial camp and base camp, which we inshallah will do tomorrow. These are the valley which you see, and this are the cottages where we are staying. ये देखें इंशाल्लाह कल और कुछ एवलांच के है आसार नज़र आ रहे हैं, 2-3 आपको नज़र नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन एवलांच होने का है। 2-3 जगह से बर्फ़ सेपरेट हो गए हैं, तो हो सकता है रात तक आवाज़ें आई हैं एवलांच की। थैंक यू, इंशाल्लाह फिर नेक्स्ट उसमें बात करेंगे, नेक्स्ट पोजीशन में। ये सुबह के 5 बजे हैं अभी। आप फजर के बाद का मंज़र देख रहे हैं तो आप ये देखेंगे कि सूरज आ रहा है ऊपर, और ये नज़ारा आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा कभी भी। हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए अकरम इसमें
जी, चांद भी साथ है।
चांद भी साथ है, आप चांद को भी देखें एंड बस एंजॉय करें। आज हमारा डे 3 है ऑफ द जर्नी एंड इंशाल्लाह 1 घंटे के अंदर हम निकलेंगे ब्याल कैंप के लिए और कैंप 1 के लिए। बस इंशाल्लाह आप देखेंगे थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको और हसीन मंज़र हम दिखाएंगे। So this is it, early morning sunrise shot. You get this every morning. We are a bit late, but you can see the sun coming up over the peaks of Nanga Parbat, and you'll also be able to see the sun on your right. This is day 3 of our. चले, we are on our way. बिस्मिल्लाह किया हमने शुरू किया है। ये आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज़ रायकोट ग्लेशियर। रायकोट ग्लेशियर, सामने नंगा पर्वत, और हम अभी चल रहे हैं ब्याल कैंप की तरफ, और फिर रास्ते में आपको बताते रहेंगे। थोड़ा बाकी आप देख रहे हैं, मेरा सांस फूल रहा है। सो दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल यू 60+। नहीं होगा तुमसे, मैं बता दूं, समझे ना। कि और आगे जा रहे हैं हम, वहाँ जाकर बताता हूँ क्या होगा। ओके, ऑलराइट। We have reached Beal camp. This used to be the old, you might call it the first camp for summiting Nanga Parbat from the Raikot face. We reached this place from Ferry Meadows after a trek of about 1 hour and 10 minutes, with pit stop of say about 2 minutes. You can see around the mountains. This is Nanga Parbat range, and that is the summit. Okay, summiting from Raikot face was stopped because of the fatalities to the climate's fatalities were very high. Now they found a different route from the Diamar face, which everybody uses right now. They call this the Killer Mountain, and well, check it out in the Google why they call it the Killer Mountain. I can't talk too much now because that's where we are heading now, to base camp number 1. Hopefully we make it there because we have to go through the glaciers now. Let's see. I'll keep you guys posted. We're taking a break because of the landslides. You see the rock slides coming down. Rocks coming down. We have to cross that path. और वहाँ जाने के लिए we have to wait for the rock slides. You see, you hear them coming. The rocks, when they start coming down, we cannot cross that glacier over there. So we're just waiting. Till then,
You guys enjoy the view. The glacier down there. You see the ones which look like little mountains? They are glaciers, the Raikot Glacier. And that's the peak. That's the other side. That's the Rakaposhi and Meshabrum. Anyway, hope the rock slide stops and then we can move on. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Okay. ये mark नजर आ रहा है आपको? You see this mark? This is made by the season's first trekker,
Last season.
last season's last trekker, who marks the path for this new season's trekkers, so that they don't get lost. This is one of the markers for the path towards the base camp. Because you see, take around and see there are no paths. You have to make your own path. So I mean, if you have got proper equipment, you use the snow, ice, or you try to make your own path. But this is the best path, which the guides, or you might call them high altitude porters, who make it for the other people to come. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. That's it. Descending. Hey. बेस कैंप से डिसेंडिंग और बहुत है बाकी. ऑन द वे डाउन डिसेंड वी टेकिंग अ ब्रेक. और ये बहुत अच्छा मंजर है. अब देखो स्ट्रीम वो पूरा पहाड़ी से आ रहा है, पीक से. ये देखते हैं आप. टाइम यहाँ के 2:20 है, लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाउड्स. Although it's 2:20 p.m. it looks like 6 p.m. just because the clouds have come in. But anyway, as long as you guys see the view which you are enjoying. Thank you. Thank you, Akram. This is our guide, Mr. Altaf. Mr. Altaf, क्या था तुमने? Herman Boole. We call him Mr. Altaf Boole after Mr. Herman Boole, the guy who summited, I think, in 1932. He can take you up to the base camp, and then onto the summit you have to do it yourself. We are on our way back from the attempt to the base camp. You can see the weather. It has totally changed, as it happens in every summit. I would like to introduce you to our climbing guide, who by profession has a master's degree and is a teacher in a local school. But during the off season of the school, the holidays, and peak season of climbing, he is one of the very well-known guides of this area. So I would like to introduce Mr. Altaf. And Altaf साहब, आप बताएं पूरा जो.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज सुबह तकरीबन 8 बजे से हमने अपना ये ट्रैकिंग शुरू की थी आप लोगों के साथ फेरमिडोस के ये बेस कैंप तक के लिए। तो ओवरऑल हमारा ट्रैक अभी तक जो हमने किया है बड़ा ज़बरदस्त रहा, शानदार रहा। हम ऑलमोस्ट बेस कैंप से होकर वापस आ रहे हैं और इस सीज़न में ये पहले बंदे हैं जो वहाँ इन्होंने अटेम्प्ट किया है बेस कैंप को। इस गो कि इससे पहले व्यू पॉइंट तक तो लोग आते रहे लेकिन अभी तक वो कामयाब नहीं हो सके।
हम लोग ने किया है।
ये पहले जो बंदे हैं जिन्होंने बेस कैंप अटेम्प्ट करके वहाँ से वापस हो रहे हैं और हमारा जो रास्ता रहा ओवरऑल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत शानदार रहा। और हम ये मैसेज देते हैं बाकी लोगों को भी, वो यहाँ पर नेचर देखने के लिए ज़रूर आएँ और इसी तरीके से इन लोगों की तरह आप भी बहुत इंजॉय करें।
आप रहें इधर। अकरम, go ahead, join him. This is our mate, Mr. Akram, the best technical manager in Aj Group. He has attempted this base camp about a year and a half back, and he's not as old as I am, but he's in that group anyway. But he did it a year ago, and he inspired me to do the same this year. Thank you very much, Altaf और अकरम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र करते हैं कि हम यहाँ पहुँच गए खैरियत से। अल्लाहु अकबर। और दूसरी बात, oh please God of the mountains, please take my pain away. My body is aching. God of the mountains, हमारा पेन ले जाओ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अभी हमारे ये ट्रैक की एंड है, अब हम नीचे जा रहे हैं and we are at the end of our trek and we are going down now to Raikot Bridge to move on back home. It was an excellent trip and I would like to let you people know about some of the friends we met over here and who have made all the arrangements for us. And I would like to first introduce Mr. Farman. He's the owner of this whole resort and he arranges all the tours and is an excellent host. And you can get everything you want at your home over here. But don't try to stay over here as your home. Try to stay as it's a camp. And he will help you out. And I'd just like to thank him for everything he has done. Another one you want to see.
I know.
This guy, I don't know what to say. He can take you anywhere, but sometimes he can tell you something and take you somewhere else. समझे ना? Mr. Atikur Rahman Messner. That's the title we gave him. Pan कर लो about, just show them everybody. इनका भी दिखा दें आप. Thank you. चलें, let's go. Landslide has blocked the roads, so we have taken help from the way he's cleaning up the landslide, the rock slide, and making the road for us. We have to wait till this road is cleared, and let's hope no more rock slides come down while we are there. We have to wait till these guys cross. Uphill has the right of way in this country. We are back at Raikot Bridge
which was the beginning as well as the end of the trek and the climb to the Nanga Parbat base camp 1. It was a excellent learning adventure, but I would like to give some advice to some of our younger people and the folks who want to do this. Come prepared. To get to Fairy Meadows, it's okay, fine. But after that, you have to come prepared. The only thing is that some people overthink, or they can go through the internet and get information about the area, and they think that they can do it, you know. But my advice to everyone is try to get a good guide, because there are ways to go over there and you might get lost. Second thing which is very important is you should come equipped to do a trek as well as climb if you want to do that. So using just joggers and things like that is fine till a certain point, but when you see the mountains you get excited, okay, and then you want to go a bit further. So for that you must have, yes, thank you very much. This is a traditional gift from the local people, and yeah, this is from Mr. Mujib, who's going to set it up. Okay, so getting back to this, come well equipped and don't try to do everything or anything by yourself. Get a good guide, follow them, and there are people in this area who are very helpful and know the area very well. So they help you if they know that you are capable of doing what you want to do. You know, just don't let your heart guide you, use your brains, because the heart will tell you, okay, this is it, we want to go up there, but your brain should decide how far to go and where to quit. There's no harm in quitting, but you know, if you get lost and you run out of water, food or anything, it can be very dangerous. So I would like to introduce Mr. Mujib. He is our what you call the representative in this area, and looking after our interests of Aaj TV, and he is the one actually who helped us organize things for us in a way, hotels and things like that on the way to go up there. So if anybody wants any help from me, I will go to Mujib, and I'm sure Mujib will help you out and trying to achieve your goals in this area. And once again, I'll take the camera now, and I'll get Akram. And Akram is also being presented with the local traditional hat. This is after achieving our whatever we went up to do. So Akram has been a very good help and a good partner on this journey, and we intend to do Juniper Peak. There are two peaks in the Nanga Parbat in that range which we want to do. There's 6,000 meters, and we're coming back for that inshallah after Ramadan. That will be in June. It will be in July. So hopefully, yeah, my conditions and my health allows me to do that, and let's see what happens. So I just want to conclude that we've had a very successful trip, and I want everybody to come and try it, but you know, think about the age and what group you are in. So you know, do a lot of exercise before coming here. Train. If you're living or staying in buildings or working in buildings, I suggest you take the stairs instead of the elevators for at least 2 months before you come. And another thing is, diet is very essential, because once you go up and you eat a lot, and if you don't control your diet, you'll throw up, you'll get dizzy and everything like that. So train for this trip, and train well, and you should be okay. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.